In the endless plains of muggy forest, love walks tall.
From the womb of stone, the ancient shadow awakens, and the jungle holds its breath.
From darkness to dawn, it crosses into the living world. Instinct drives it onward. No fear, no sound. Oh.
The hunter closes the distance, not in haste, but in certainty. Nature holds its breath as the balance tilts.
A deep, guttural cry echoes across the plain.
Hey there, little one. It's okay. You're safe now.
Hey, where's your mother, huh? Where is she?
This is David Walker, reporting a wildlife emergency.
Hello, this is David Walker. I've got a python, massive, nearly 50 feet long.
Sir, that's enormous!
Lock visual.
To the calf.
Check every dose, double the darts. We're dealing with something massive.
50 feet of muscle and teeth, can't wait.
Listen,
Everything's here. No excuses for the python this time.
IV kits, antibiotics, sedatives, all sealed. Ready?
It's not a game, Noah. One wrong shot and the giraffe's gone.
Fact.
All units maintain formation. Eyes on the feed. Keep the target in sight.
Python's position confirmed.
All units, maintain a distance, but keep line of sight.
Get over there, please!
My wife, no, the mother, she's trapped. Help her.
Nova, keep draw.
We need to separate it carefully. One wrong move and the mother won't survive.
All placed. Back to positions. Watch carefully. Ball placed. Back to positions. Watch carefully.
Ball in. Liquid flowing. Step back, watch carefully. Ball in. Liquid flowing.
Ropes in place. Watch liquid. Step back, maintain safe distance.
Pull in your direction. It's resisting. Watch for sedative effect.
Hold tension. Everyone steady. Sedative's kicking in. Muscle tone dropping by 20%.
See that? She's fighting. She's gonna be okay.
Easy, don't rush it. It's letting go. Come on, girl, breathe for us.
Coils loosening at the base. Stay ready.
It's letting go. Everyone, now! Sedation complete. 0-3.
He's calm. Let's free him. Heart rate normal. He's not a threat anymore.
Let him go. He's part of this place, just like they are. He's moving. Don't let it reach the tree line. Fire. Second hit confirmed.
It's okay, sweetheart. They'll stop it soon.
Hold positions. Don't get closer until it's fully down. Keep hitting it. Aim for the upper body. Don't let it reach the trees.
Reloading. Maya, get me.
Take the shot. Make it clean.
Hit confirmed. Stay ready.
It's slowing. Penetration looks deep. All right, Python's down. Focus on her now. Move fast.
Maya, get me the antiseptic spray and saline, now.
She's alive, weak.
Okay, everyone steady. We lift slow and clean. No jerks, no noise.
Hydraulics ready. On your mark, Chief.
It's okay, girl. We've got you. Just hold on a little longer.
Easy now, keep her balanced. Noah, guide the front. Ava, watch that corner.
You're okay, sweetheart. We're almost there.
She's right here, see? She's gonna be fine.
Right there. Bring her in slow. Don't crush the ground around it.
Perfect, right there. That's the spot. Dig it at least 8 feet deep.
This is the part people don't see, the cost of balance.
Keep it steady.
We need it wide enough for the full coil length.
6 feet. We need 2 more. All right.
All right, team, we do this carefully. Keep the balance tight. Let's lay it to rest properly.
Ready when you are.
Even now, it feels alive.
Keep it now.
Hey there, little one. You did so well. Let's get it home. It's been through enough.
Mother's sent again.
She's strong. Both of them are.
It's all right, sweetheart, we've got you.
Easy now.
Easy now. You are doing so well. Heart rate's stabilizing. It's gonna be okay. She's tougher than half the people I've trained with. Let's get her into the main tent. Watch the harness pressure route. She's stable, but weak.
Easy, just a few more steps, girl. You are safe now.
Slow down near the incline. Make sure the front wheels stay even.
It's okay, little one, she's right here, come on.
Easy now. Slow steps.
Easy now. You're safe here.
You're so brave, sweetheart. We'll take you to her.
Clear the left section. Give him room.
She recognized her.
Easy, she's right here, little one.
Her vitals are stable, but she's still very weak.
It's gonna be a long recovery.
Pressure dropping. Ethan, we're losing stability. Hold her steady. Begin scan, now. Oh no, her internal bleeding's worse than we thought.
She's deteriorating fast. If we don't operate soon, we'll lose her.
She's fighting for her baby.
Scalpel, we're going in now.
Her pulse is dropping. Oxygen saturation at 60.
Administer adrenaline. She's flatlining.
Defibrillator, now!
Oxygen level critical, we're losing her.
Heartbeat stable. She made it.
We did it. She's a survivor.
They found each other again.
She's stable. The vitals are perfect.
Her heart rate's stable, but she knows her baby's here.
Stay strong, big girl. Your little one's right here with you.
Welcome back, beautiful girl.
It's a miracle.
She did it. She's really standing. Worth every second.
She's made a full recovery. They're both going to be just fine.
Looks like someone's ready to go home.
You're safe now, little one. Go home.
That's the best part. And the hardest.
We did good today.
She smiled before leaving, you saw that?
Yeah, I did. She knew.
It's strange. We saved them, but they saved something in us, too.
They made it home.
And so did we.
In every corner of the wild, stories of courage unfold unseen.
Time heals, but love remembers.